Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw Info channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. I am using the Illustrator version Adobe CC. Version is 2020. So the my UI is little bit might different from you, but if you using the any old version, it's almost similar to that. 80 to 85% the layout and UI is same. If you are using CS6, that also almost 80% is very similar to this. All the basic fundamental is work same as the how I'm showing in this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to give you introduction about the Illustrator layout, interface of Illustrator. So when you launch Illustrator, you will get this is the default screen in Illustrator, and here you will get the couple of more options like home and learn. So if you go inside learn, you will get the predefined tutorial, so how you can start with the Illustrator. And here it is home, default whatever file you previously created, that recent will come over here, and the top you will get the few predefined sizes over here. So what is the common use iPhone and all these things. So as you click on create new, so this is the pop-up will open over here. So the when you want to create a new document, new file, you need to create a click on create new, and you will get the predefined artboard sizes over here. So this is the specially for web, whatever recent I have created, so that all comes over here. If I save some template for artboard size, so that always come inside the saved tab over here. And if you see, this is the mobile predefined resolutions or artboard sizes is grouped over here. So you can, if you want to create some UI for iPhone or Android phone, so you can go direct and see there is a couple more options over here. So you can click over here and you can take the template for that. Then this is for web, so this is all are the web template over here, and this is the print, and this one is film. So through use of this tab you can take the any kind of predefined template and artboard sizes over here. So what I'll going to create my custom size over here. So especially I'm going to take 1920 by 1080, which is already available here. So if I'm going to take this, I can give this sizes over here 1080, and I'm going to keep other, like I'm keeping one artboard, and the advanced option I can see there is a couple of more options over here. I am keeping the RGB mode over here. What is the RGB and CMYK, that I'll come in the next tutorial. So generally you keep it in mind when you work for a digital platform, any kind of screen or online things, so you need to keep the RGB settings, that works best for that. And the raster effect I'm going to keep as a 72 ppi. PPI, DPI, that all details I'll come with the next tutorial. So what is why that important and all these things. So at the moment with the begin with, we are going to create a new file and going to check the what is the basic option and basic layout is available in Illustrator. And this is the Illustrator version which I am using, the Illustrator CC 2020 version. So you might be having some older version in CC Creative Cloud, or you are might be using CC. So the more or less 80% UI is very similar, only 10 to 15% changes are there, but you can perform all the tasks, or you can see my tutorial is already applicable same as for that UI also. So now we created new file over here, so that come as an untitled. You can save this file of going inside this tab, and you can save this file as a whatever name you can give, and save that this file in. See the version here, it is showing like Illustrator 2020. If you go inside here, you will get other version also, legacy, and this CS6, CS4, other option is available over there. Then I'm going to say yes. So see, our file is saved over here, so it is taking his name, and that is over here. So the basic interface in Illustrator, you will find this kind of interface over here, and which have this, here it is like predefined layout is there. So I'm going to show you one by one user interface. So this is automation. So once you click on automation, so this kind of layouts opens over here, and which have this multiple panels over here. If you go inside essential, so in essential you will find this is the options over here. So I made some changes in essential. So if I do reset essential, so it's reset in is by default. So most properly I work in this layout, so that's why it's giving this, showing this layout over here. So this is the essential. Then essential classic. So if you see essential classic, it's take you to the essential classic interface over here. Then painting, then printing and proofing, tracing, typography, web. So this is multiple user interface for the creator for a multiple purpose. What are the file you want to create, and what kind of graphic or whatever illustration your purpose is, based on that you can select your layout, predefined layout over here. So that is it. Now I'm going to show you some preference option over here. If you go inside edit and if you click on this preference, so you will get all the information over here. So the what are the things you need to keep, the settings you need to play little bit with this, and you will get to know how you can, what are the base or what are the settings is best suitable for you. So that way you can select these settings. So I'll create one more tutorial for the giving more detail about the preference. So this tutorial I'm keeping very small and sweet, so that's why I'm not giving that much of detail in this tutorial. So that is to start to begin with the create a new file and giving the introduction about the Illustrator in this tutorial. I will come up with the detailed knowledge about all this tool in next tutorial. So that I'm added all the links in my description, so please watch. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.